Section 236. G. Persons required to register for value-added tax. 1. Any person who in the course of trade or business sells, barters, or exchanges goods or properties or engages in the sale or exchange of services shall be liable to register for VAT if A. His gross sales or receipts for the past 12 months other than those that are exempt under Section 109A to B have exceeded 3 million pesos or there are reasonable grounds to believe that his gross sales or receipts for the next 12 months other than those that are exempt under Section 109A to BB will exceed 3 million pesos. 2. Every person who becomes liable to be registered under paragraph 1 of this subsection shall register with the Value District Office which has jurisdiction over the head office or branch of that person and shall pay the annual registration fee prescribed in subsection B hereof. If the person to register, he shall be liable to pay the tax under the Title 4 as if he were a VAT registered person but without the benefit of input tax credits for the period in which he was not properly registered. Section 236H. Optional registration of value-added tax of exempt person. 1. Any person who is not required to register for value-added tax under subsection G thereof may elect to register for value-added tax by registering with the Revenue District Office that has jurisdiction over the head office and that person and paying the annual registration fee in subsection B hereof. 2. Any person who elects to register under the subsection shall not be entitled to cancel his registration under subsection F, paragraph 2 for the next 3 years, provided that any person taxed under section 24A2B and 24A2 C2A of the NRIC who elected to pay the 8% tax on gross sales or receipt shall not be allowed to avail of this option. For purposes of Title 4 of this code, any person who has registered value-added tax as a tax type in accordance with the provision of subsection C thereof shall be referred to a VAT registered person who shall be assigned only one taxpayer identification number TIN. Section 114. Return and payment of value-added tax. 1. In general, every person liable to pay the value-added tax imposed under this title shall file a quarterly return of the amount of his gross sales or receipts within 25 days following the close of each taxable quarter prescribed for each taxpayer, provided, however, that VAT-registered person shall pay the value-added tax on a monthly basis, provided finally that beginning January 1, 2023, the filing payment required under this subsection shall be done within 25 days following the close of each taxable quarter. B. Where to file the return and pay the tax, except as the Commissioner otherwise permits, the return shall be filed with and the tax paid to an authorized agent bank, revenue collection officer, or duly authorized city or municipal treasurer in the Philippines located within the revenue district where the taxpayer is registered or required to register.